Hey drone nerds, Matt here. We're out at the beach today to fly some drones. Now it's really sunny out, let me put my sunglasses on. Now a day like today, your drone's going to want sunglasses as well. They're called ND filters, and I'm going to show you everything about them today. Let's go. The Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse. Set in full auto camera settings, this drone undoubtedly does a great job even without ND filters. Now, in order to get the best image quality, change your color settings to D-Log, set your shutter to 1/60th and ISO no greater than 400 with frames per second set at 30. Let's bring it back and do that now. With no ND filter on in manual mode, it's so bright I can't even fly this drone safely. And what I'm seeing, the camera's seeing too. Way too much light. So given it's a very sunny day, let's put my strongest ND filter on, ND256. Simply rotate the camera lens cover counterclockwise until it releases, select the filter and snap it back on. In my kit, I have 3 ND filters to choose from, ND16, ND64, and what I have here, ND256. Okay, let's send it and see what it looks like. Right off the bat, this video looks a little dark. We want to expose a little more so that we have optimal image color capture. Let's drop down to my next strongest ND filter, ND64. Let's try again. Now it doesn't look so good right now until I apply the free D-Log LUT from DJI. Check out the night and day difference after applying the LUT. The colors pop so much more, so much vibrance with minimal color boosting in post. Changing just these few camera settings and applying the correct ND filter, your photos and videos will come out pro level quality. So I hope this video showed you a little bit about ND filters and how to use them correctly. If you have any questions, you can put those down in the comments. Also be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.